Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to link ChatGPT to WhatsApp. You can follow these steps in order to use ChatGPT on your WhatsApp. To do this one, go to your browser and type this link here. Then you will be directed to your WhatsApp here. You can now start asking questions to the AI. I'll start with a question. What is innovation? And here, you can see now the answer. Let's try another question. Tell me something about business. And here it goes. It gives another answer. On the other hand, you could also try this another one. Just search Daniel Gross code ChatGPT to WhatsApp. Then, click this one. On this part, run this program to your computer. And with that step, you will also be directed in having an open AI to your WhatsApp. And that's it. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.